Guess who I bumped into on my way to get my glasses fixed? Everybody. Finland has just closed their borders. No one will be crossing the finish line. Due to the coronavirus quarantine, I will only be telling inside jokes. At a job interview I continued filling my glass of water until it overflowed. Nervous? Asked the interviewer. No, I always give 110%. What is brown and not very heavy? Light brown. I'm developing a new fragrance for introverts. It's called Leave Me the Few Cologne. If anyone gets a message from me about canned meat, don't open it, it's spam. Did you hear about the restaurant on the moon? Great food, no atmosphere. What do you call a fake noodle? An imposter. Want to hear a joke about paper? Never mind, it's terrible. I just watched a program about beavers. It was the best damn program I've ever seen. Why did the coffee file a police report? It got mugged. Did you hear about the baguette at the zoo? It was bred in captivity. How does a penguin build its house? It glues it together. What do you call a Mexican who has lost his car? Carless. Bad puns are how I roll. What do you call a can opener that's broken? A can't opener. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Why don't skeletons ever go trick-or-treating? Because they have nobody to go with. What do you call an elephant that doesn't matter? An irrelevant. What do you call cheese that isn't yours? Nacho cheese. My friend has designed an invisible aeroplane, but I can't see it taking off. The shovel was a groundbreaking invention. Why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? It was too tired. What did the grape do when he got stepped on? He let out a little whine. I wouldn't buy anything with Velcro. It's a total rip-off. Don't trust stairs, they're always up to something. Want to hear a joke about construction? I'm still working on it. This graveyard looks overcrowded. People must be dying to get in there. I built an electric fence around my garden and my neighbor is dead against it. Whoever stole my antidepressants, I hope you are happy now. 2 goldfish are in a tank. One says to the other, do you know how to drive this thing? What do you call a man with a rubber toe? Roberto. What do you call a fat psychic? A fortune teller. To the man in the wheelchair that stole my camouflage jacket. You can hide but you can't run. I thought about going on an all-almond diet. But that's just nuts. Why do you never see elephants hiding in trees? Because they're so good at it. A furniture store keeps calling me. All I wanted was one night stand. Why do you never see elephants hiding in trees? Because they're so good at it. What's brown and sticky? A stick. I used to work in a shoe recycling shop. It was soul destroying. I like waiters, they bring a lot to the table. Did I tell you the time I fell in love during a backflip? I was heels over head. I don't play soccer because I enjoy the sport. I'm just doing it for kicks. People don't like having to bend over to get their drinks. We really need to raise the bar. What do you call a shoe made of a banana? A slipper. My mate says I'm getting fat, but in my defense I've had a lot on my plate recently. I love jokes about eyes, the cornier the better. Some mornings I wake up grumpy, on others I let her sleep in. I'm going to stand outside, so if anyone asks tell them I'm outstanding. You should always knock on the fridge before opening it just in case there's a salad dressing. A guy tried to sell me a mirror but I knew it was a scam, I could see right through it. I was shocked when I found out my toaster wasn't waterproof. I once ate a dictionary, it gave me thesaurus throat I've ever had. I would avoid the sushi if I was you, it's a little fishy. How many apples grow on a tree? All of them. My 3 favorite things are eating my family and not using commas. You know what actually makes me smile? My facial muscles. I am reading a horror story in Braille. Something bad is going to happen, I can feel it. I hate it when people say age is only a number, age is clearly a word. Did you hear about the kidnapping at school? It's fine, he woke up. I have this strange talent that I can always guess what's inside a wrapped present, it's a gift. Sundays are always a little sad, but the day before is a sadder day. To whoever stole my copy of Microsoft Office, I will find you. You have my word. Singing in the shower is all fun and games until you get shampoo in your mouth. Then it's a soap opera. I went to the store to pick up 8 cans of Sprite. When I got home I realized I'd only picked 7 up. When is a door not a door? When it's a jar. What's blue and smells like red paint? Blue paint. I purchased a deodorant stick today. Instructions say remove cap and push up bottom. I can hardly walk, but when I fart the room smells lovely. What is the least spoken language in the world? Sign language. The rotation of Earth really makes my day. A storm blew away 25% of my roof last night, OOF. To the person who stole my glasses. I will find you, I have contacts. I know a lot of jokes about retired people but none of them work. What's red and bad for your teeth? A brick. 2 years ago my doctor told me I was going deaf, I haven't heard from him since. Don't trust atoms. They make up everything. As I suspected, someone has been adding soil to my garden. The plot thickens. After you die, what part of your body is the last to stop working? Your pupils, they dilate. Saturday and Sunday are strong days because the others are just weekdays. I don't want to brag, I finished the puzzle in a week and it said 2 to 4 years on the box. How do you get a farm girl to like you? A tractor. Dark is spelled with a C not a K because you can't see in the dark. Did you hear about the guy who cut off the left side of his body? He's all right now. I was gonna tell a time-traveling joke, but you guys didn't like it. I was driving my bread car and it caught a light, now it's toast. What lies at the bottom of the ocean and twitches? A nervous wreck. You know what the loudest pet you can get is? A trumpet. What do you call someone with no body and no nose? Nobody knows. Based upon my shameful behavior after drinking, I finally decided to quit drinking altogether. Now I drink alone. I have a fear of elevators, I'm taking steps to avoid them. How does a meteorologist go up a mountain? They climb it.